G'day guys, Peter from Team Low Range 4x4 here. Now, have you ever wondered how to swap over your factory tow ball for a recovery point? Well, I'm going to show you how in this video right now. G'day guys, first thing we're going to need is a 15mm socket to be able to get the nut which is underneath. First thing we need to do is actually put our 15mm socket on top, and then we need to start loosening it, because you can see this is all really tight. Loosen it as much as we can without removing it completely. We can see that it's all loose, so we can see the bar is loose. Next we need to remove this pin here, and on the other side we now need to remove this bar. We can see that the bar has been removed, and on both sides the pins. Now the tow ball assembly should just clearly move out. Now we get our replacement, insert our replacement assembly, making sure that the holes line up. Replace the bar and replace the pin. Finally retighten bolt. And you're good to go.